Nissan Leaf was launched in 2011 and was the first mass-produced electric car to have a sensible range, decent performance, and practical space for a family. It went well to be the best-selling electric vehicle in Britain, and then in the world. Today we will see the production of Nissan Leaf in the UK. First, the car parts are made by the stamping press process. Now the robots weld several parts of the car body to form the body skeleton. Then the car is painted by a customized color, and the quality of the dye is inspected. After that, the dashboard is installed using a lifting device. Now the windshields are installed and it's sent for the next assembly. Then the battery pack is placed in its place. Now the tires are attached and tightened. After the assembly, the car passes through several inspection areas. Finally, Nissan Leaf car is ready for delivery.